Hi there, this is Arcade Contest 90. All Heaven from the Con Crew. And I'm wishing you a very, very happy St. Patrick's Day by drinking this Diet Mountain Dew. Oh, that's good. And it's green, too. Wow. Look at this. It's green donut. It's good. Wow, look at those donuts. I'm gonna start with that one. Glazed, and there's no chocolate. So, there you go. There you go. Yum, huh? And now for that one.
It's got a cream filling.
I got it. Now for that. Big, there you go. And now for the unicorn. We have a window. And it's a unicorn.
Sounds good.
Kisses, kisses. You're welcome. I sold the unicorn because I want my little pony sometimes, and I do too.
Okay.
Yep. And now let's have something for donuts. Instead of milk, we're having red D2. That reminds me of blood. Yep. That's good. D2. Oh, that's good. D2. Oh, vampire's blood. Oh, Beetle.